Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by getting the document open and ready. Install Microsoft Word from the store and sign in. This links autosave and version history. Once done, grant storage permission so Word can open files on your phone. Next, find the file in OneDrive, device storage, or your email. Tap it to load. Make sure autosave is turned on to avoid lost edits. You're ready to begin editing immediately with the document backed up as you work. You now perform the detailed edits. Tap text and type. Select words to apply bold, italic, bullets, or styles from the ribbon. Once done, insert images, tables, or page breaks from insert and adjust margins in layout. For collaboration, enable review features. Turn on track changes and add comments so others see your suggestions. Make sure to use the on-screen keyboard toolbar for quick formatting. When multiple people edit, share the file and manage permissions, so changes merge. Finish by saving and exporting. Use Save As to create a copy or export to PDF for distribution. Once done, check OneDrive version history if you need to revert to an earlier draft. Make sure the file shows synced, look for the sync icon, then close the document to finalize. If something goes wrong, force a sync, restart the Word app, or clear the app cache. This resolves most save or display errors. If syncing still fails, sign out and sign back in to refresh permissions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.